What's going on, guys? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're opening the two new Matchbox Jurassic World 5-car packs before the T-Rex catches us. The cool thing is, if you like a certain vehicle in these Matchbox packs, the store sells them as single cars too, so you can collect your favorites. Let me know in the comments below which Jurassic World vehicle is your favorite, and also if you plan on seeing the movie this summer. Let's bite into our first 5-car set and take a closer look at these special new Matchbox vehicles. The first vehicle is a must-have for fighting dinosaurs. It's the Armored Action Truck. Number 2 in the Jurassic World set is the 2010 Textron Tiger Tank. For our third vehicle, we have a 2014 Mercedes-Benz G550. The next one is a very unique Matchbox casting. It's the Deep Dive Submarine. And number 5 in this Jurassic World set is the famous Gyrosphere. Now, the second Matchbox 5-car set we're opening is titled the Jurassic World Legacy Collection. This collection starts off with a 1997 Mercedes-Benz ML320. Then we have the maintenance truck, which is the MBX Tanker. The brightest vehicle in the Legacy Collection is this 1993 Ford Explorer. Number 4 from the Legacy set is a 1993 Jeep Wrangler. Last but not least, this Matchbox set features a Fleetwood Southwind. There we have all of the latest Matchbox vehicles from the brand new Jurassic World 5-car sets. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see more toy car unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.